What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. And today, guys, from I see the thumbnail, you know what it is. It's Bugzy Malone featuring Emeli Sandé. The song is called Welcome to the Hood. Welcome to the Hood, guys. I've been missing off the scene for about a week. I don't know why. I just been not drop with catch my interest. I'm gonna say, oh, listen, let me just give it a break. Now we'll see Bugzy forward there with Emeli Sandé. Let's go, guys. We don't waste no time. We're gonna break down this one, so we're gonna pause every 10 seconds. If it's not your thing, please don't put it in the comment section. Just if I pause too much in my breakdowns, just keep it moving, guys. It's no hassle. I'm not everyone's cup of tea. I know that. It's fine. So we're gonna break down this one and find out where Bugzy are say. It's gonna be different. Let's go. Let's go, Bugs. That wasn't Emeli Sandé. That wasn't Emeli Sandé. Me know Emeli Sandé look. City of Manchester. Welcome to the hood, dog. Let's go. Directed by who? Directed by 𝐂𝐂𝐃𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Big up 𝐂𝐂𝐃𝐂𝐃𝐂𝐓𝐿.
And I say welcome to the hood, welcome to the hood, welcome to the place where nothing ever ends up good. And they
I already know this is gonna be fire. I already know Bugzy find a different gear in this one. I already know already. But just know, I just feel it. Let's go.
Say that you're a disgrace if you can't find yourself a job. Around here there's either been a drought and then there's been a flood. No one ever built an ark for anybody from the block.
What Bugzy is saying is fact. Basically, to shorten down what I said this a while ago is, in certain countries, especially in my country, Jamaica, certain place, like if you live in certain area, you can't get the job, no matter how big your qualification is. Them look at you through your postcode. That's all them do. Stereotype you.
Man are trying to ring the heavens, but God never gets in touch. For certain people it's a must to come across as tough, because you don't want to be a victim when Beretta start to bust. And I said,
this is already deep. This is already deep, and with Emeli Sandé touch to it, oh my God.
Welcome to the hood, welcome to the hood, where no one teaches you to love, because we're all products of lust. We learn to tell a lie before we even learn to trust, and then we see our people die as if the sorrow ain't enough.
We learn to tell a lie before we even learn to trust. We learn to tell a lie. Example of one of those lies. As a kid growing up, if your mother inside do something and somebody knock on the door, and your mother say, look at who that and tell me who that. When you go and look at who that, tell your mother who that. Tell him you're not there. Tell him, Mommy's not here. Lie. Next lie is, this run away with spoon and call jump over moon. Lie. Santa Claus real. Lie. Look how much lie them tell we. So we not trust. Let's go.
So-and-so killed so-and-so, I struggle to keep up. A victim of knife crime, they hit him in the lung. The press are making articles expressing their disgust, but where
oh my God. Let's
a victim of knife crime, they hit him in the lung. The press are making articles expressing their disgust, but where there's no opportunity, survival is a must. And I
the streets, so the press, the people them who write the press, them in some high places, them in some high, you know, them living in some nice neighborhood, some nice community. Not in the hood. When them go to and from work, them they even drive past the hood. If there's traffic diversion throughout the hood, them not going in there. So them up there making their assumptions, but there's no opportunity. So we have to out here surviving. That's what the boss say.
Welcome to the hood, where boredom leads to depression, depression leads to drugs, and drugs numb the pain of all the fucked up stuff that you have to see when you're forced into growing up.
Bugzy's actually lived that life, because Bugzy tell you how much time. Bugzy's actually lived that life, dog. Bugzy's actually lived that life, brother. Him tell you how much time I'm sang them, brother. Fucking hell.
Nobody's responsible, everybody's corrupt, and school's a waste of time, cause we're learning out of books. And when you're academic, you get taken for a mug, cause my
school is pointless, because them are learn out of books. when you're academic, you get taken for a mug. You're a geek. You're a nerd. Watch this. All these people are talking about, yeah, school is important. You need to go school. You need to go. Who write the Bible? Who write the Bible? Just an example. Who write the Bible? King David write the Bible, right? Them say King David write the Bible. Which school did King David go? King David go, King David High? Eh? King David Primary? Which school King David go? It's all about up here, so. Street smart, dog. Street smart. You see me?
For mics won't help when you're in a puddle of blood, and I say welcome to the hood. Welcome to the hood. Feels like the only thing that ever settles is the dust. We try and keep it clean, but the stress builds up, and it was all a dream until Biggie got shot.
Reference to Biggie. Big up Biggie. Big up Biggie, Big Smalls. It was all a dreams until Biggie got shot. Welcome to the hood. Where the only thing settled around here is the dust. That's the only thing settled. And the dust not gonna settle for long, because as it does settle, something else drop up again and kick up the dust again. Jaja.
Welcome to the place that I call home. Be careful, it don't turn your heart to stone.
He could have never get a better feature, a better person for feature on this song than Emeli Sandé. Singing wise, he could have never get a more powerful voice than Emeli. Emeli is just in a class by herself, dog.
Welcome to the war I'm battling. You live or you die, you lose or you win.
And I say welcome to the hood.
Yo, this a touch me. This is touching me. Like, I'm feeling a bit emotional, cause these are things that's actually going on in the world nowadays. Not just UK, not just Jamaica, all over the world. This shit is going on, bro. And it's been going on for years. So them things are, you know, them close to my heart, brother.
Welcome to the hood. The person they call mental health is the person that we call mum. We either don't have a dad or we have more than one, and we're told to fly the nest before we even learn to run.
Hear the party again now?
We either don't have a dad or we have more than one, and we're told to fly the nest before we even learn to run. You don't have to be a soldier here to hold a gun and watch.
You don't have to be a soldier here for hold a gun. Let me take a drink. And the water today, a different something. Snapper. Big up Snapper.
You know, the people suffer is what we consider fun, cause suffering is standard. You'll have to toughen up. At least that's what your mother tells you when she's fully drunk. People.
Imagine coming home from work or school or off of the road and see your mother drunk and I tell her, say, toughen up. Toughen up. Like, that's the one person that you look up to, cause there's no dad around. But mommy, they're on drugs, or mommy is an alcoholic. Like, you have to toughen up from them age, from the 11, the 12, the age. You have to toughen up, dog. You see me? Worse if you have some younger siblings. Oh God.
Steal for a living and end up in the can. It's miles easier in jail, but you will understand. Being a criminal is not part of the plan. But how are you supposed to work when nobody will take you on? So I.
That is the thing. That is the thing. Imagine now. You go school. You finish school. You go to uni. You pass. You have your degrees. But if you get a job, you need 2 years experience, 1 year experience. Where me I go get the experience from, Bumblewall? Where me I go get the experience from? You have to give me the experience. I've been going from school to uni from my born till now. Oh, me forget. I don't understand these jobs. Them want to get 1 year experience. Which part? Where? Under your bum? Hey, don't make me customer dude, man. Where me forget the experience from? Eh? Me just finish uni. What kind of experience you need? If you take me and if you not take me and tell me go on. Blood clot do about experience. What kind of experience? Me I go work for you and get experience. Sure. Them piss me off, you see? Them piss me off. Them really piss me off when about 2 year experience. Nyam shit.
Say welcome to the hood. Welcome to the hood. Depression and anxiety get swept under the rug. These gangsters in your family. Welcome to the club, because there's plenty of gangsters in a city full of thugs.
This is some real shit, dog. This is some real shit. It a touch me. That's why I get so emotional. Cause when the man I say me can relate, dog. Me can relate, brother. Look how much subject you have, and you don't have anybody to give you that chance. Forget, yo.
Being born into the politics of poverty is rough. You can look down your nose holes, but only God can judge. Most of us are afraid to pray to the above, cause Pac said there ain't no heaven for a thug.
All them do just sit down and in them high chairs and look down at us. That's all them do. But only God can judge you, dog. Only God can judge you when we did all we got the same place.
Welcome to the hood, welcome to the hood, welcome to the place where nothing ever ends up good. And they say they get with disgrace if you can't find yourself a job around here. There's either been a drought and there's been a flood.
Yo, you want more than that? Bugzy never failed to amuse me, dog. Bugzy never failed to deliver, brother. And especially with Emeli Sandé on this, dog. The man that, yo, this is why Bugzy one of my favorite UK rapper, brother. No joke, Bugzy. You're one of my favorite UK rapper, Benji. Because you touch pan subject enough man not touch pan, brother. Let me sing about a chopping and this and that and shank man and chef man. Moving no blood clot with that, you know. Move with that, you know.
Welcome to the place that I call home. Be careful, it don't turn your heart to stone.
You have to cool. Yeah, she say, welcome to the place what we call home. Be careful, it don't turn your heart into stone. You have to cool out here. You have to cool out here. You have to stone hearted for survive. You have to brave. You have to brave, dog.
Welcome to the war I'm battling. You live or you die. You lose or you win.
You can live or you're dead, you lose or you win. Look, listen to them words there, dog. You have to take your chances. Yo, me emotional pan that one, ya, dog. Because it touch home, brother.
There ain't no heaven for a thug. Seems like my good ain't ever good enough.
You don't see Bugzy in the video. Well, I haven't seen Bugzy in the video, but this video is so touching. Me not see Emeli Sandé, but the picture, what am I paint with the video, dog, different.
Feels like I'm running out of love. You live or you die. You lose or you win. They say there ain't no.
Shit. And next thing, them want people wear masks and muzzle up. Carbon dioxide you're breathing. Carbon, that not healthy. That not healthy neither. This is the world that we're living in. Them put a muzzle pan dog and mask pan you.
Heaven for a thug. Seems like my good ain't ever good enough. Feels like I'm running out of love.
Yo, she seemed like she's running out of love, dog. And I can't blame her now. I can't blame her now because here now. You see, long before this COVID thing, enough people did a wear mask. Big up Nation Boss with a reference there. Long before COVID, enough of them boy are wear mask. Enough of them people are wear mask around your dog. You see me? Long before COVID, them are wear mask. Them fake, bro. But yo, big up Bugzy and big up Emeli for that song, dog.
Welcome to the place that I call home.
Yo, I'm emotional for that one. I'm not telling no lie, dog. No lie. No joke.
Careful, it don't turn your heart to stone. Welcome to the world I'm battling.
And next thing, anybody dislike the song, yeah? Anybody dislike that song, yeah? Something wrong with you, no? Anybody dislike? Not my video, no. The original song. Something dislike. Something wrong with you, no? Upstairs. The bug step on the wall with the mask on. Yeah. Big up money. Yo. That song is deep like submarine, bro. Oh, the resurrection pre-order now. We not out yet. I'm gonna talk about. I'm gonna think it out already. See, yo, I'm proud of that youth here. Fuck. Me just proud of Bugzy, dog. Like, me proud of Bugzy, brother. No joke. Me proud of Bugzy. No joke. Guys! Oh, man. Guys, that was a breakdown from me. That was a breakdown from me. Sorry, I got a bit emotional in the middle, like, but it's true, dog. Like, the system designed the way there for hold you down, even no matter how much you try. So, dog, you have to be strong, brother. You have to be strong in the street. Brothers and sisters, you have to be strong. You hear that? Anyway, guys, I'm gonna leave that one right here. So, big up Bugzy, big up Emeli Sandé. Welcome to the hood. The original video, the link to the video gonna be in the description below. If you don't watch it yet, go and have a watch. You see me? Also follow me on my socials is here. Also, guys, I just got my TikTok, so you can follow TikTok and I'm going to be a madness over there sometime too. So just got it. So follow that one there, guys, and follow my Twitch. Anyway, guys.